guys, thank you for watching Flores by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well, so be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. The unboxing for today is this. It's a small envelope from Amazon. Okay, so let's unbox. So this is a quick unboxing, guys. Let's see what's in there. Oh my lord! Night of the big heat. Heat.
As in hot.
Yeah, not heat. Heat.
Yeah.
So
Tilted.
is it horror?
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah, because the title is.
They've already got
horror.
it, but they re-released
So
it with some extra features on it. Extra bits and pieces added.
Oh, so this is Harrison Ford.
And it was one of the very first films I bought on Super 8mm many years ago. Long before videos and DVDs and Blu-rays came out.
Yeah.
So it's nostalgic for me. Plus it's got
Also with
some of my most favorite actors in it.
Christopher Lee and Peter Cushing.
Yes.
Peter Cushing.
And directed by Terence Fisher, one of my favorite directors of Hammer films, although this is not a Hammer film.
Yeah. And who is Patrick Allen? Is he here?
Yeah,
This one.
the one in the front middle, I think.
No, it's a woman.
That
Oh, I thought.
Patrick Allen.
Is he?
Yes.
Oh, I thought. What did I say earlier? I thought it's different one.
Yeah, Patrick Allen. Christopher Lee is above him. Jane Merrow next to him.
Yeah.
And Peter Cushing as well, I think. Is the Peter Cushing is the guest star.
Yeah.
He's a doctor in the
Peter
made
Cushing.
in 1967.
19.
It's sort of a science fiction horror, but it's not at all frightening, but it's highly enjoyable. All-star cast.
Yeah, it's 1967. Region
94 minutes.
Region B. 94 minutes.
Yeah, Region B is UK, for the UK.
Yeah, and it's 15 certificate.
Yeah, it was originally X certificate, which would have been
What is X certificate?
18.
18. Above 18.
Yeah, but nowadays there's nothing frightening in there, so they've lowered it to 15.
So, what is that 88 in there?
That's the company that released it on Blu-ray.
Oh, right. Okay. Oh, so 88 film.
That's what they call themselves.
Oh, yeah. So
Previously they were released by a company called Odeon.
it's the same thing here.
They didn't
On the
have
side.
any extras on it apart from the cinema trailer. I hope this has the trailer on it as well. But if it doesn't matter too much because we got it on the previous one that I bought.
So that is Sarah Lawson.
Jane Merrow.
Oh, Jane Merrow.
Sarah Lawson is Patrick Allen's wife in the film and in real life as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The older lady.
Yeah, sort of middle age-ish.
This one, the one with the short hair.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So 1967. So I'm not familiar with this. Did we watch this already?
I've seen it many times, especially as I had it on 8mm.
I'm not sure.
You can watch it.
I thought earlier
have
Harrison
time.
Ford. He looks like Harrison Ford. Yeah.
Patrick Allen.
So that is Patrick Allen.
Yeah. All the male cast have gone to the other side.
So all of them.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Yeah, because it's 1967. That's why. So is this a nice film?
Yeah, it's sort of a drama, science fiction, horror mixture. But it's not at all frightening.
So not
in
really,
any way.
not really scary.
Not at all.
I would like to watch this.
Yes. You can watch it when you
If
have
it's
time.
not scary, I can watch it.
Yes.
But if it's scary, we will
It's
watch
not.
with the lights on.
No.
Yeah. All right. So, what else you will add?
That's it, really. For people who like Hammer horror type films, they'll enjoy this. Mainly because of the stars in it.
Yeah. You know what? Yesterday, I'm thinking to myself, oh, it's been a long time we haven't unboxed DVD,
Yeah.
Blu-ray, and now we do. Oh my lord. Yeah, alright. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.